Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I joined Gmtc this year in March. And so how I discovered Gmtc is, I think there was an ad or something like that popped up. I think it was on my phone, I can't remember very well, but it was like saying that Gmtc is, they're offering it for $1. So I thought, let me join. And as soon as I joined, I just loved the content. The content that drew me closer to Gmtc was the foundations, and that really helped me a lot. I started out like without a foundation as a piano player, so I didn't really have anyone teach me all those foundation stuff, such as how to use your fingers properly. But with Gmtc, I got an opportunity to learn that in the foundations and to understand how everything works, how chord works, and the other chords that I didn't know before. And so that gave me really a great opportunity to start, and I thought that this shouldn't end just here. So I thought that I should become a lifetime member, because this stuff was something that I couldn't get from other places. So I thought, let me become a lifetime member. And I'd like to say thank you to Jermaine, JP, Brian, and all the Gmtc staff for this opportunity of a lifetime membership. And I encourage others out there to also take this opportunity while it still lasts. And it's a very good opportunity to get to get the resources that you will need to in order to improve as a pianist or an organist. And so I'm grateful for that. And the song I'm gonna play, it's called Holy Holy Holy, and this song I learned it in the foundation and I love this song, so I'm gonna play it. So hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.